Hi everyone, welcome to ZyNerd NEET PG 2023. In this video, we will look at how to get the ZyNerd subscription. Go to the ZyNerd website. On the top right, there is sign up option. Select the sign up option. Log in with your mobile number. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the OTP received. After OTP verification, you will be taken to the ZyNerd subscription page. Fill the basic details like name, date of birth, date hyphen, month hyphen year, select state, preferred exam, email ID, phone number which you have given already. After entering the basic information, click the submit button. You have now successfully signed up for ZyNerd. In order to know the features of ZyNerd, please click on the view demo link available in the dashboard. For subscribing the packages, go to the package tab, which is on the top right. Select NEET PG. If you are interested in All India Counselling alone, select All India Counselling package. Note that All India Counselling package does not include state counselling information and does not include all features. For comprehensive information on All India Counselling Plus, all state counselings, select All India and All State Counselling package. After clicking on the purchase link, you can make the payment through the payment gateway, through UPI, debit cards, credit cards, net banking, or any other mode mentioned. Once the payment is successful, you would be able to access all the info and features of ZyNerd. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more updates.